This is going to go in this way. I anticipate some issues with my CC bar supports over here.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
So step one, we have managed to lift the motorcycle onto the extent here, over here. This is very essential to get the weight of the motorcycle off the springs so that the springs don't get compressed. If they're compressed, then we can't put them back up once the screws are removed. So this is just, it's just sufficient to raise the wheel so that the wheels turn freely, and that's how it is done. So, step two. This is going to go in this way. I anticipate some issues with my CC bar supports over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the CC bar first, and then remove the screws. And we are going to use this this bit over here. This is a T50 bit. It's like star-shaped bit, and we're going to use that with the spanner over here. And we're going to fix this, and we're going to remove this screw over there. Okay, and that will be step two. And let us loosen this one too over here by using the same spanner with a different bit, and we hold the nut in the back by using this spanner over here. This spanner over here, we hold the nut in the back, and then we remove the screw, and it should come off pretty easily after that. There you go, bolt over there. Remove it. Hey, it's stuck. Come off. And let's keep this bolt with us. We need this. I don't think we need this. This over here, and you can just sort of move this as keep this aside safely. And let us. So as you can see here, this one is the one that came with the kit, slightly longer than the original one, and we need this so that this can go through this and go through this thing as well. You can see here. So before that, we need to put up that washer. Put in this washer here, like that, and put this in. And you see it's a perfect fit. It sort of fits here very well as here. So let us do that. Put this in. And for the smaller one, we're going to use this with the hex head over this. We click through that, put it through the same hole, and you should be able to feel it behind you. The bolt should go behind it, like that. And basically tighten everything down nice and square. So you don't need this anymore typically, actually, because I have put some black tape over this, and this is where the CC bar is going to rest, and here. So you can see you don't. This used to be going over there, but we have removed this, and we are going to tighten this bolt as well as this one, and everything is going to be ready. So before you put in this bolt, you need to put this small washer you see at the end of it. This washer over here. So this goes in like this, likewise. Otherwise it's going to damage the holder over there. And then put the bolt on the other side and you should be able to tighten that. That should do. This is also done. So we have finished installing on the right side. We do exactly the same for the other side of the motorcycle as well. And we'll do that right now. So it's all fixed now. So you can see this is the right bracket. It has been fixed into the suspensions. It's pretty tight. I wish they would make these bolt heads look a little bit more fashionable. But that's what we have. And this is all from Harley Davidson. The part number is given below. I've also fixed it on the other side as well. So you can see it's over here. And this goes exactly the reverse way, the same way as I showed you the previous one. And once this is done, you can basically put your saddlebag over that. As you can see, the saddlebag is nice and fixed over there, sitting over this. And some of these have these sort of hooks. Here, these hooks. You can put in a sort of a secure holder to that, and use some Velcro straps to secure it to these holders, so they don't fly around in the wind, you know. So, well, that's it. And till the next time, see you. And there you go. I'm going to go for a ride. Bye bye. So as you can see, we have fixed the sissy bar on top of the shoulder brackets, the brackets for the saddlebags, and that's how you fix saddlebag supports with sissy bar as well installed. It's quite easy. All you need to do is put some work into it. So that's it for today's video, folks, and have a safe ride. Have fun. See you.